Manipur Top Channel dagi video amta update tawjage ngasi ayuk phongmasi phongda January gi tang 15 da truck driver tathi tawoina tawruba ASI ama suspend tawkre haiba video dugi makha chathar charakpo oina driver da tathi tawoina tawkiba police personnel pung niphu pan gi manungda terminate tawdrabadi NIS ani blockade tawgani association sing Chief Minister Nongthongbom Birena Police amasuk miyam gi marakta mari fagat hanana bakkan lauringai seraksida Manipur Police ki ASI amana truck driver amabu phu saiduna kian khangan kibagi video social media da viral oikre truck driver tathi tawoina tawkiba thaudo adu da chenaba ASI am suspend tawkre Kangpokpi District Superintendent of Police PS Mahesh Narayana ngasi thokiba order amagi matungina suspend tawkraba ASI adugi maming TS Hitaler kawi maha Kangpokpi Reserve Line DSQ gi personnel ni Senapati Truck Driver Association da yawba driver amabu ngasi ayuk pung 3 makhairom taba matamda ASI TS Hitaler na tathi tawena tawramba thengnabadagi mahakpu suspend tawkibani hairi ASI TS Hitaler na suspended lairingai manungda mahaki headquarter asi DSQ Kangpokpi gi reserve line oigani amadi Kangpokpi DSQ gi reserve line maintain tawba attendance register da su mahaki khuyek pigadabni loinana mangjawnana ayab lawdana mahak headquarter thadok loidabani haina su order aduda palli amaromda mara laijadraba Senapati district khoidai beles dagi truck driver Del Alexander bu ngasi ayu anganbada Kangpokpi bazar da tathi tawena tawbikiba thaudo aduda ASI TS Hitaler amasung atopa police personnel pung nipan gi manungda terminate tawdrabadi National Highway number 2 da matam kaktuna blockade chathagani haina Senapati District Truck Driver Union gi President Senapati District Truck Owner Association gi President amasung Senapati District Driver Welfare Union gi President apuna khoyek piduna thadorokpa sarol amana fungdurakle sarol asina hai Kangpokpi Reserve Line da leiba ASI TS Hitaler amadi atopa police personnel singna service revolver sizinaduna truck driver Del Alexander da fu saiduna chathakiba thawong adubu attempt to murder tawbuni haina lawi thawong asi association sing asina akan mamong na condemn tawwi haina su paw sina makata na phungdurakli. Thank you.